another stuff, very nice to think about solar power plants is this. Okay, it's very nice to make a big photovoltaic power plant, but if you consider that every single day the solar rays arrive to your roof, why you don't use it? If you calculate there is enough energy for your needs.
Yes.
So why you have to waste energy during the wire, well, the transportation.
And that's one of the concepts now that people are starting to discuss, is called the regional or the local production of not only energy but food, water supplies, everything, because the transmission, the moving of the energy
loses a lot of energy.
It's very inefficient. As an electrical engineer, you understand that very well.
Yeah. They call it Joul's effect.
The Joul's effect.
Joul's effect. The effect when the current transferred is a part of that energy becomes heat.
Yes.
Like a tungsten.
The movement actually is a friction.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, and it creates
that's
heat.
energy.
Yeah, exactly.
And that's energy lost.
To nothing.
For nothing, just for transportation.
Absolutely.
It's credible,
Yeah.
And maybe everybody knows that, but nobody sometimes think about that. So that's why it's important. Okay, wind energy, it's a good thing to make a big power plant, maybe offshore, right? But photovoltaic system, the best way is to put something in our roofs, for sure.
Yeah.
Because otherwise everything's right, but if you can do something on your own, I think you have more pleasure, because you can count, the counter, you can see
on the meter. Yes, on the meter it goes backwards.
It goes backwards. Exactly.
Yeah, that's very interesting.
We stopped drilling for finding oil, not when we found the last barrels, but when the next one is too expensive to take out.
So when the cost of extracting the oil is equal or greater, you can't do it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's why the big companies that now is drilling our planet is looking forward for renewable energy, not because they are sweetheart, but because they look like a business.
Yes.
And that's great.
Yeah.
Because it maybe we are living in the right moment, in the good moment.
There seems to have been a shift. I mean, and it's important because notwithstanding, Berlusconi or Bush or Putin or people who may not, again, understand or have interests in what we do, but outside of that, like we said, we have the U.S. Conference of Mayors, which is something I'll show you on the web later, and they have hundreds of cities now have signed on to Kyoto Protocol.
Exactly.
And they understand that, and when you look at what they've done, they've created much better environments economically, health, enjoyment in their communities, in their cities, and the people love it because, like you said, they own this. They're owners of their own place. They're not dependent on people who don't care about them. They're dependent on each other.
Right now, United States of America didn't sign up for the protocol, Kyoto Protocol. But I can tell you for sure that United States of America are very dynamic market in renewable energy assets. So who is listening to us right now, they can say, okay, it's bad that they didn't sign up. But maybe the positive thing is, Italy or other states has signed up the Kyoto Protocol, but they can't respect it right now. So why did they?
Yes, their emissions have actually increased.
Yeah, increased in the last 5 or something like that, 6 years. So it's something like crazy.
Okay.
So maybe you can say, okay, Bush administration didn't sign up, but maybe by the other hand, you can say, okay, when they sign up, they will respect. I trust in America in this way.
Yeah.
So
well, that's good to hear, because sometimes we don't know, what the opinion may be, and the opinion isn't one-sided. It's not only one opinion, but when people come here and then they also hear all the things we're doing, there's such a like you said, a huge amount of people who are doing the right thing. Want to do the right thing.
Exactly.
Well, we're getting ready to close out the show, Giuseppe.
Okay.
And we want to thank you for coming and for visiting.
Thank you.
And I hope you have a great stay.
I want to thank you too. You gave me the chance to say something on the, I think, right direction. I want to be optimistic because we have a bright future ahead, because the business is, we are facing a good business environment. If there is the business, sometimes we think a business means something bad.
Yeah.
But I think when business meets environment, we got a good deal.
Great. Well, that's some good words. Thank you again, Giuseppe.
Thank you, too.
Wally, back to you.